Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradupa and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 24th of January today, Wednesday, and recently Bitcoin made a breakdown of the psychological level $40,000, and today we will try to find out what's next and will the fall continue. And we have an article today by Trompetenko. So more than a week has passed since the spot Bitcoin ETF approval and the local high update. During this time, the price of the cryptocurrency has decreased from 48,900 to $40,000 due to the unloading of portfolios by various categories of investors. This process began last week, but due to optimistic sentiment, buyers could maintain balance and absorb the free volumes. However, the pace of sales significantly intensified, including those by institutional investors and miners. And so financial markets began to realize that a quick easing of monetary policy is not anticipated due to persistent inflation, geopolitical tensions. And considering all these factors, Bitcoin's quotes continued to decline. And by January 22nd, the cryptocurrency made a bearish breakthrough of the 40,000 level. So the question is, will the decline continue? It's still too early to say that the breakdown of the 40,000 level will be a prelude to another collapse in Bitcoin quotes. Before making any conclusion, we should wait for the cryptocurrency to end the day below this level, the level is this level $40,000 is extremely important, both from the point of view of the key support zone of the uptrend and psychologically. A breakdown and final consolidation below $40,000 may lead to a new wave of sales and a consequence, a deeper correction. At the same time, analysts at Sentiment note that large wallets are not resuming their accumulation of Bitcoin or stablecoin coins without clear signals for the start of this process. One should not count on the resumption of a stable bullish rally. However, it's reported that individual large players continue to purchase Bitcoin. For example, BlackRock bought another 4,800 Bitcoin. And the situation is also complicated by publications in the media where it was announced that Grayscale decided to sell Bitcoin for $2.8 billion immediately after the approval of spot Bitcoin ETF. Fundamental factors are also a significant reason for investors to refrain from buying the cryptocurrency and to pay attention to the US dollar and the treasury bonds. And as of yesterday, there are more rational arguments in the market indicating the continuation of the downtrend of Bitcoin's price. What's happening on the chart? What does technical picture tells us? Let's have a look. As of January 22nd, Bitcoin formed a large bearish candle after consolidation, several attempts to break through the 40.5 thousand level. Ultimately, the key support zone fell, which means the structure of the uptrend that began in October 2023 is under threat. Technically, Bitcoin continues to be at the support level, but if a trading day ends below 40,000 level, the likelihood of further decline will significantly increase. We will shortly see this on the chart for the moment. Meanwhile, technical metrics do not show signs of buyer activation. On the contrary, they signal complete seller dominance. The stochastic continues its downward movement in the oversold zone, and the MACD has entered the red zone, indicating total bearish dominance. If successfully consolidated below $40,000 and further downward movement ensues, bears will head to the next support zone near the $38,000, where there was a prolonged period of accumulation. However, despite all the pessimism, one cannot rule out the possibility that the breakdown of this level, $40,000, was necessary to collect liquidity, which reaches $150 million. Therefore, there is possibility of a pump in the Bitcoin price of above 40,000 level. In addition, it shouldn't be forgotten that important macroeconomic statistics about the labor market and business activity in the US are expected. These events can also bring back optimism in the crypto market and strengthen buying sentiments. In making a conclusion of all the above mentioned, Artyom says that the last already day could be decisive in determining the future trajectory of Bitcoin's price movement. If it consolidates below $40,000, the likelihood of a downward movement to $38,000 and lower will significantly increase. However, if the bulls turn the situation around and restore Bitcoin above $40,000, it could bring back confidence in its bullish trend and increase the volume of purchases necessary to complete the correction. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. It's the 24th of January, and Bitcoin opened today at the point 39,788. So we can say that it didn't manage to close the day above $40,000. Now it is trading at the point 39,845. So it's almost clear that the decline should continue, as it didn't manage to settle above the psychological level, $40,000. So it can move towards the next resistance zone, $38,000 in the short term. Well, that's all for today. We will see each other tomorrow in our next review. I wish you to have a nice day and profitable trading, and see you next time. Goodbye.